Do you want to know how you can add a profile or account on Amazon Prime? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add a profile or account on Amazon Prime. Go ahead and open any type of browser you have on your PC and go to primevideo.com. The next step is to log into your account. Then hover around your profile and you can see Add New option. Go ahead and click Add New. And let's suppose I want to select a name over here. I will select a name and click Save. Then you can see your profile has been created. You can go ahead and give your preferences to your profile and start enjoying through your new profile, and click on Edit Profile to edit your profile. And you can see that you can change your profile photo. You can set up your locks to give security to your profile as well. So guys, this is how you add a new account or profile to your Prime account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.